Welcome to MadzScapes. I am Kirsten and this is the channel where you're going to learn all about arts, crafts, tips, tricks and hacks. Special projects available as well as vinyl cutting and other art tutorials. In this video we're going to be doing an art hack. This one is for paint cans. It uses masking tape to make a pouring spout and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. This paint hack can be found all over the internet just by googling paint can hack. So today we're going to try it out. Got my masking tape, I have my paint can, and we're going to see how it works, step by step, and troubleshoot anything that might come up. If you like these kinds of arts and crafts and maker videos, do click the
big red button down below.
I would love to have you as a viewer, and let's get into it. For this hack, we're just going to use masking tape or painter's tape, I think any tape you have. I have this tape today, so we're going to see how this one works. A paint scraper to open my tin with. So this is undercoat, it's pink. Okay, so now I am going to cover up the edges of the paint can, just like this. Essentially I'm creating a little pouring spout. And then this will make the pour easy. And it'll be no mess, no fuss. There we go, I have a little spout basically. Let's see how this goes. Great. Kind of did make a bit of a mess, maybe this made more mess than usual. Okay, there we go. That's how it worked out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and let's see if we'll try another one next time. Thank you! So let's try this paint tray hack again. Paint pour hack, let's call it. So I think I did my spout a little bit too far into the can, so let's see how it works now. Okay, so this part I made sure that I put the corner right onto the edge there. That worked much better! Okay, so that's the way to do it. You have to make sure that you've put the edge right on the edge of the lip of your paint can, and then I think you're going to get a better pour with that. So that's how it works. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what other kind of paint hacks you'd like to see, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!